You only want to clear the cart if the user confirms the prompt. Create an if statement that checks if the user confirmed the prompt. In the if statement, set the items property back to an empty array, then set the total property of 0. So we have to input here an if condition, and inside that condition is that it says it should check if the user confirmed the prompt. It's referring to this declared variable is cart rather cleared, and it is which is assigned to a confirm with a quotation or string quotation, no, with a string of the are you sure you want to clear all items from your shopping cart. My point is we need this one, and in order to call this one is that we have to call here or pass here the variable is cleared. So it should check. So it should run this string. And in our callback function, since we want to clear the shopping cart, we have to empty our items. And again, the items property and the total property is declared inside of our shopping cart class constructor at the top. So if we go back here, oh, it's in here. There it is. So in order to refer those property is that we have to use the keyword this items and empty the array with the use of an empty array. And we'll also have to use this keyword for the total so that we have to assign it to a 0. So that's it.